Okay. So, welcome to this session, a lunch hour session. It is a welcome session, and my name is CPA Stephen, and I'm here to guide you on some of the tips before you start your semester. By the way, for us, like today morning, I taught financial management. Imeanza, semester imeanza. Now for RCM, once we start, we don't stop. We stop wakati munaenda kufanya mtihani. So we have the train imeanza safari. The ship imeanza safari. So if you are contemplating on whether to join or not, kindly, the answer should be to join as early as now. There's nothing good as early preparation. There's nothing good as early preparation. Don't wait ati sijui mtihani. Which exam are you waiting? At results, is it okay? No. That is not the case, class. That is not the case. Start early. Start preparing early as now. Like today, we have several lessons in the evening. Asubuhi zilifanyika. In the evening, we have lessons. Kindly. If you are in the intermediate level, and you are going to the advanced, kindly enroll for that advanced level. Enroll for that advanced level. Why am I saying this? Yes, there's a hand which is up. I'm going to allow you to say something. Please, advanced level, we started our lessons today. So what do you have to do? Is to just join the rest with faith that you are going to this advanced level, even after the results are released. That is the faith that we want. You move to the next level. You are in the foundation level and you are done with the 6 units. Please move to the intermediate level. Enroll for the intermediate level. You are in the intermediate level. Please move to the advanced. Right? Please don't wait. Here we're pleading you, don't wait. You didn't get the link in the morning. Is it possible to get the recording? Yes, Zelma, the recording is there. The recording is there. You're going to get it in our learning management system. Good. Now, as we said that we are having an offer, a 10% offer, if you enroll by 5th of this month. So that is 5th of May, 2025. By the way, when is 5th? When is 5th? Today is on 2nd. Yes, the sky is the limit. Yes, exactly. So 5th is on Monday, right? Monday 5th. So how much will you be saving? Our charges are 4,800. 4,800 per unit. So how much are you saving here? 10% of this for 80, right? So what's the difference? So how much are you supposed to pay? Mahesabu ya haraka haraka. And that's why we say that hesabu should not be, haiwezi kuwa scrapped ati isikue compulsory. Hesabu should be compulsory. 4,800 minus 480 inabaki ngapi? Somebody, mahesabu ya haraka haraka, accountants. 4320. Thank you so much. 4320. So 4320 times 3 for the person taking 3 papers. 4320 times 3. That is 12,960. 12,960. You know what? Investment. Yes, there's somebody who is talking. Okay. A minute. 960. And this is a very great investment. It's a very great investment that you can ever do to yourself. So for the BDA, it's just, you're just going to deduct the 10% from the 9,000. So that is 900, right? So you're going to pay 8,100, right? That is for the person taking BDA. Please, do not wait for the results. Do not wait for the results. Results will be out at around May 20, May 25. You see, how many weeks are those? Around 3 weeks. So you will have lost 3 weeks. The problem comes in when you start to recover what you have lost. You find that there is limited time. Remember the time value of money concept, right? So utilize this time to just sacrifice and enroll as early as now, That is the secret for most of the students who do pass. Huge investment, asante. What about retake bonus? Retake, we shall be talking about it mtihani ikitoka. Kwani Gaba, ulifanya mtihani lini? The Agnes, ulifanya mtihani lini? Huge investment, BDA exam is how much? Tumesema kwamba ni 8100 BDA.
I want to listen to something here. Lakini inashangaa mbona ina nini? Nimeweka hapo. But pia hata nikitoa it is not.
Hata siku ulisikiza nini?
Kuna time nilisikiza. Saa ingine ina nini I don't.
Ala, there's somebody who has unmuted. What's happening? BDA exam is 8100. If I paid the full amount, is the refund going to be sent? The full amount had mean, you know, if you paid and the discount was there, you say now you did not maybe tell the person to deduct the discount. Kama ulituma. Can the evening class be adjusted between 7 and 9? 7 to 9 instead of 10. That is just a suggestion. Kwani tumehakiwa. Sure, nayo 6. For those who deferred the exam and want to attend classes again, do I pay as retake or full amount? Now, in that case, you pay as you are starting the new semester. Sawa, Joan, unalipa kama unaanza new semester, but still negotiations are there. Negotiations are allowed. So if you did maybe December semester and you failed, you can just do what? You can just join as a new student, so that you start fresh. You just leave those minds of that I did this paper. Just start fresh, so that at least you kick off with a great momentum. If I paid partially, can I pay the remaining balance with the discount in mind? If I paid partially, can I pay the remaining balance with the discount in mind? Yeah. Those are very nice questions here. Very nice questions here. Zoom user, we're going to respond to that correctly. We're going to respond to that. Do you register exam on our behalf once we pay? No. That is no. Essie, that is no. You know, we are an institution whereby we teach you on tuition, right? For us, we teach you, and then CASNEB is the examination body. So you book via CASNEB. You book your exam via CASNEB. In fact, you use your portal. Why do you put classes on Sunday? Maggie. Still that one. I'm going to respond Sunday. Whatever you paid in installment, do you still get a discount? What if you've paid in installment? Do you still get a discount? So now, you see, if you pay, for example, we said that hapa tumesema BDA ni 8100. Ukipewa discount, right? That is net, the net. Now, if we tell you that you can pay a commitment of maybe Kenya shilling 2000. You see now, the discount will not apply here. Kindly, the discount will not apply here. We are telling you to pay a commitment fee of 2000 shillings, right? So the commitment will not apply. I hope you understand that. Commitment, the discount will not apply when you pay the commitment fee of 2000. By the way, this is allowed if you're feeling that ukona unit sita the next level, you can just pay 12,000 for all of them as the commitment. Mambo ikikuwa mbaya, hiyo fee itatumika kwa retake. Hiyo fee itatumika kwa retake, kuna vile tunaibalance tu, so utaitumia tu kwa retake. So no worries, very many questions here coming. Let them keep coming. Okay, nimefikisha BDA, how much? BDA tumesema somebody to be replying to those questions that I've already answered. For advanced level, how many papers am I required to do? A great question here. So advanced level, so nowadays we are having 4 compulsory. Yeah? We are having 4 compulsory, and you can select 1 or 2. You can select 1 or 2 optional paper. Optional. Sawa sawa. So you can choose 4 compulsory and one optional, 1 or 2 optional. They allow you to either pick 2 optional paper. And then later, after you are through with this, you do the BDA or FD. ME, financial modeling. So you can do those 5 papers or 6. Those 5 papers or 6. Let me know if I am doing 3 units intermediate and I am working during the day. Yes. During you are working during the day, Wilson, and you want to do 3 units in the intermediate level, it's possible because you're going to join our 6 to 8 p.m. session or 8 to 10 p.m. session. Yeah, that is possible. You can also join our 5 to 7 a.m. session. 5 to 7 a.m. session. That is Wilson BDA, 𝐄𝐧𝐫𝐥. If you're a help student, how do you go about to book exam? Okay, there's a way. Once you get your fund, there's a way you liaise with the CASNEB. There's an email that will be shared to you so that you're able to share the invoice with the CASNEB people. Are the recording available after class? Are they paid for? No. Our learning management system is free of charge. I am seeking clarification concerning it. I was told that the discount is not applicable. Where else? Here, you just say it's there, okay? Mr. Goodluck, that one, I'm going to confirm right away. Right away. For those with help, do we still get a discount? Apana. Discount sasa apana. For those with help, no discount. No discount. Can see Sir Charles ametuma information hapo regarding the help. Those people who would like to apply, those are some of the information shared there by Sir Charles. NSCS intermediate level here. When will the link to the classes be sent? That. The CS, that is Ashre, a direct message there. The CS, yes, you can get the videos. We also have books. When will CASNEB release results? Tumesema uko 20th of May, 20th, 25. Intermediate level, do I have to do all 6 papers? No. XY, you are allowed to do a minimum of 3 papers. Sawa. So unaweza fanya 3 this semester, and then the December semester, you do the other 3. AMA is now compulsory. Yes, that's true. AMA is now compulsory. Kuna evening classes also. Yes. Kuna evening classes. Yes. Let's say you paid 50% for the 3 units for the foundation level. Do you still get a discount? Apana. Sasa hiyo discount is for the person who want to pay as a package. Sawa. Discount go to those people who want to pay for the package of 3 papers. For example, you want to do 3 papers, you pay for the 3 papers, you get a discount of 10%. Sawa. And the discount is adding, discount deadline is on Monday 5th. How many units does one pick in advanced level? Sawa, Ivy. Advanced level, you can pick 4. You can as well pick 3. Yes, you can pick 4. You can pick 3. Yeah, depending with your schedule. Do you help with CPA exemption if I already have a degree? Now that one, you just go to to CASNEP, any CASNEP office that is near you, you just visit them and they'll be in a position to help you. They'll be in a position to help you in all the exemptions that you may require. How many units does one pick in? That one is well catered for. Do you? How can I apply for help subsequent? I can't find the option in my photo. Now, Patrick, please contact that number. Please contact that number. 011 011 011 011 70 90,000. Please contact that number. I think that there is a link that was shared. Please contact this number. Please contact this number. Let me confirm the number for you. So that contact. Don't get discouraged. Wakati unaona kwamba you're not able even to apply for help. Please contact Charles, Sir Charles, using that number. You'll be assisted. So Patrick, I hope hiyo iko sawa. I have to look for all these. I'll respond to every comment here. Are the lessons the same? 6, 8, and 5. Okay, a good question from Rosie Moria. A good question from Rosie Moria. Okay, what I can say, the lessons, the package, if you choose the early morning, the 5 a.m. to 7 a.m., that package is a separate, the complete package, right? Separate and complete package being taught by a different teacher, right? Then in the evening, a separate and a different package being taught by a different teacher. So here the concept ni ile lakini mwalimu tofauti. Sawa sawa, Lozi. Then Benjamin, which are the 4 compulsory paper in advance? Thank you so much, Stanley, for helping mwalimu. Yes, that's correct. Whatever Stanley has stated there is correct. Asante. Someone can do all 5 papers if you want. Yes, Asante. For advanced level, do I do all 5? Ukitaka, yes, if you want. Yes. What's the minimum? Can I do in advance? 5 is too much. Unaweza fanya 3. Asante. There are people who are helping mwalimu here. Asante. Are there exemption in intermediate? It depends. Sasa, it depends kama unatoka uko na degree, right? If you have a degree, you're going to get exemption. Best 3 combination CPA advanced paper. Best 3 combination for CPA advanced paper. Deng from Deng. Are you from South Sudan? Southern Sudan. Deng. Deng anauliza the best 3. Somebody to just tell Deng the best 3. You can start with AFM, LM, and you can do any other. Which is the other that you can choose to be the best here? To be the best here. AFR, AFR. Unaweza fanya hizo 3 kwanza. You can do the 3 kwanza. I paid full amount for 2 papers at same college. Didn't get 10% discount. Maybe we can check when the discount was announced. Yet it's their mode of payment because they'll eventually pay the loan, just like those who could not have gotten the loans. Okay, can't risk EMA with the FM. Sarah amekataa. If I register for a unit this semester, can I book its exam in August deck? Hello. Also, if results come and I have failed a unit, do I have to register the unit or can I self-study? Hello. It is always good to study with the rest. It is always good to study with the rest. So, Deng, thank you so much. What is the optional paper there in advanced level? IV, optional paper, kuna AAA, kuna advanced tax, na nini ingine? Nadhani ingine, which specialization do you advise one to take? Now, it depends with the career journey, right? It depends with the career, your career journey. If you want to be an auditor, that means you need to do what? The advanced auditing. If you want to be a tax consultant, you need to do what? The advanced taxation. So it just depends with your career journey. Sawa. Which specialization? That one is done. AMA and the optional, asante, asante, APFM, asante. You guys are great. Good. ATD and combined during classes. I think closely you wanted to ask ATD and CPA are combined during classes. Sometimes you find that the concept that ATD students are looking at are the same concepts as the CPA student in several units. Can I switch between morning and evening classes? Another question, can I study all the papers and book only 3 papers? Yes, Essie, you can study all the papers and book only 3. That is allowed, right? Lakini sasa to study, if you want to study with us, you have to pay. You have to pay for tuition. I have done all specialization with AT and thank you, Stanley. Asante Stanley for that. What is the abbreviation of fundamental of finance in the timetable? No, Boniface. FOF, fundamentals of finance. Now, I think the timetable that you have so far is for CPA. The ATD timetable will be out soon. You see, we're starting today, right? We started today. So the timetable for ATD will be out soon, today. You said intermediate level can be exempted. Which papers kindly did become accounting option? Okay, consult with customer, you can email them. That is Lydia. Yes, there's a way you just, Jackie Mutinda, there's a way you can engage the CASNEP team. They'll be able to highlight for you and tell you the things that you need to upload in your portal so that they can exempt you. But exemption come with charges. Sawa. But most people think that exemption you don't pay. No, exemption, there's some exemption that you need to pay. So it comes with charges. So it's free. I did a FM last sitting. If I pay for advanced paper today and the worst happen, nakuelewa sana Felix, nianguke FM, what will happen to my payment? Your payment, I know you'll have paid maybe for 3 papers in advanced level, which is 12,960. What happened is that we're going to pick the 4,800 or maybe 43 because in that case, you'll be retaking. We can take a smaller amount from the 12,960, say that 800. It will cater for your retake in FM, and then the remaining balance we don't forget. Sawa. Ni vile tu hakuna refund kwa sababu still unasoma. So you're going to it is going to cover your advanced level unit once you get there. But my prayer is that this FM thing you pass. By the way, ilikuwa rahisi. I saw your FM paper. It was sijui NPV. The whole of the paper ni kama NPV, NPV. It was simple. Felix, wewe unapita hiyo. The payment will be used for retake na hautapoteza. Exactly. Stanley, you need to be one of our staff. Was exempted foundation level, company law, and FM. Thank you so much, Naomi. Naomi, I think you're one of my students. I think, Naomi, ulikuwa one of my students, if I'm not wrong. This is the number also assisting people at RCM College. That number, yes, Ibrahim want to confirm that number. Let me just reconfirm because iko na 6 mingi. Actually confirm, but we have such a number, so it is good to confirm. Let me just confirm, Ibrahim. That number is familiar. It's familiar. 29,662. 29,662. Okay. 29,662. A minute. It is important. It is important. Yes. That is a number that can as well assist you, Ibrahim. Sawa. So no worries. If that person contact you, that is RCM number. Yes. Yeah. Judy account. Yes, exactly. Can I switch between morning and that one we said unaweza. Naomi, how do you go about it? So Naomi, you can assist Faith on how you manage to do that. When shall ATD classes begin, since the timetable is not yet released? Sooner. Unaona sasa over the weekend, kila kitu utakuwa nayo Boniface, kila kitu utakuwa nayo. to retake AFM paper, how much do you charge? 3,800. To retake AFM, 3,800. Lakini sasa, when I talk of 3,800, it is 3,800 for the person who did exam April 2025. April 2025. Mambo ya December sasa hiyo unakuja hii semester kama mtu mgeni. Kwa sababu, why? That will help you, your mindset, right? To set and to be focused for the unit. Utakuwa ukisema, mimi narudia kitu, hizi vitu zingine na you will not ignore some things. Sawa? So that will be taken care of in that. Went to casino and paid. Okay, thank you so much, Naomi. Asante. Yeah, kuna fee na associated. I do leave my house at 6 a.m. and in the timetable, I see you have classes 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. Kuna evening pia na pia kuna physical. Sijafikia physical classes, right? We have physical classes plus the recorded videos, plus the recorded videos. Yes, exactly. Asante. The classes are always recorded, always can view in your free time. Asante. Anytime. Na mtihani inatoka lini? Tumesema, Diana, mtihani itatoka uko May 20 something. May 20 something, not yet confirmed. May 20 something. Okay. The practical paper in advance does one do it after finishing all the other units, or you can do it along with the advanced audit. Hapana. Hiyo nayo, it's a standalone paper. You do it alone. Can advanced level be exempted if you have a degree? High advanced level, hiyo noma kidogo. What's the minimum amount to pay to begin classes? Minimum amount is 2,000. 2,000 Kenya shilling. 2,000 per unit. 2,000 per unit. 2,000 per unit. 2,000 per unit. You'll be able to join classes. 2,000. Asante Salah. Asante. People are helping mwalimu there. What is the minimum number of units I can take? Susan, if you can take three. Asante. If you're doing online classes and you need an ample space for revision, can someone come to the school and utilize the physical space? Grace, that's a nice question. Sometimes you may get the space, but sometimes the space is not available. In the afternoon, you can get the space in the afternoon. But during the morning hours, it is somehow tricky. How can we how we can prevent accident? For example, I will do 3 units. I plan each unit should proceed a day. Abdi Wahab, have I gotten your question clearly? How can we prevent coincidence? Okay. Coincidence. No. Now that is from our end. We do review. All those timetable, the ATD, the CAMS, the CPA. We do review all those timetable, and you'll be able to attend your class when you don't have any other unit. And if there is such a coincidence, make sure that you communicate to our team. I'll give you all the number, but this is the main number, the common number that you can contact us with. Why can the BDA paper be combined with others and learn them together? Now that is according to Maggie, that is according to the policy of the examination body, which is CASNEB. Sawa. Yes, it is a standalone practical paper. Does the fee include revision kit like RCM books and PDF? Thank you so much, Essie, for that. I have to put on this clearly. So, the fee, that is the tuition fee, books. We have revision kit and study text. So this is a question and answer, right? Question and answer. It goes at 1,000. This is a study text. It goes at a 1500. It goes at a 1500. So it's separate, right? Separate. Okay. Allow me to pick this call, and don't leave. Don't leave. So just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. So class, Daktari wants to speak to you. So allow me to just connect him, the director and the CEO of the college. So just a minute, just a minute. The principal wanted to Sala anasema tumesikia. Kumbe mwalimu just unmuted and the voice or the audio was open. That is okay. That is okay. And then you have please post these on the YouTube DM.
Yes, thank you so much. I hope everybody's okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Somebody confirm. Great. Thank you so much. So it's good to see all of you around. I mean, getting 130 students being online is not a simple thing, especially when you call them for give them a very short notice, and here they are. That's really, really good. So thanks, CPS team. I've listened to what you have told these great members of RCM. The most important thing is for you to know that your exams will be released from the 16th to the 18th, around there. We shall be able to know the exact date, and we shall be able to communicate the same very soon. But between 16th and 18th. Now, when you are waiting for your exams, should you stay at home? No. You must be a risk taker. You must be able to join our classes, which are starting tonight. What you simply need to do is to pay a commitment fees of Kenya shillings, 2,000 per paper. So this commitment fees of 2,000 per paper that you pay, of course, we are assuming, we are hoping that you will be able to pass. But in the eventuality that you don't pass, what happens? Do you lose your money? No. That money, we shall keep it safe to be used either the other semester, or if you choose, for example, to come and do some special class. For those students, in this case, who have attempted and they never passed, we will be having special classes. If you wish to do this special class with us, just in case if you fail, then that money can be utilized straight away to cover your fees for this special exam. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you come to RCM, there are things you need to be knowing. Those students in RCM who perform very well, they always know how to make use of the learning management system. Learning management system. We have what we call LMS, and this LMS is really a serious thing. You'll be able to get your videos that you do in the current semester. All of them will be able to get them in that learning management system. And then number two, you'll be able to get all the previous semester videos. So videos covering the entire syllabus, which our teachers did last semester, you shall be able to get them there. And I would want you to take note of last semester's videos because there are those students who like reading ahead of the teacher. All right. So once you get like a whole package for the entire syllabus, you can continue, like if you have the time, as well the full-time students, you have the time, you can continue, in this case here, watching those videos as, of course, you come now then to the Zoom live classes, you'll be able to get a chance to ask questions. Are you able to hear me? Can you kindly confirm, ladies and gentlemen, that you are able to hear Mwalimu? Please confirm that you are able to hear Mwalimu.
Yes, Daktari, you are audible. You're
Thank you
audible.
so much. Great, great, great. So then another thing, we have a timetable. This timetable, you need to master it so that you take down the papers that you're doing and ensure that you get to the classes on time. One thing that we strive to do at RCM College is to ensure that our teachers keep time. Keep time. So if a class is a 6 p.m. class, ensure that you are already in the Zoom meeting at exactly 6 p.m. And we'll also endeavor to finish these classes on time. All right. Now, the other thing, ladies and gentlemen, you're supposed to know is that we have got very, very many products at RCM. Apart from CPA, for example, we have these practical classes. These practical classes that we have covering accountancy and taxation, we do them in conjunction with our registered audit firm. We have an audit firm by the name Aura and Co. All right. So once in this case here, you would want to get, especially for these students who are at the intermediate and advanced levels, if you'd want to get the practical skills, how do you do bank reconciliation practically? How do you do audit practically? This taxation, how do you do the tax computations and how do you book them up? You can as well, in this case, enroll for these practical courses, of which I want to believe the numbers that CPA Stephen has been able to give you there. You shall be able to use those numbers to get more information about that. Otherwise, as you know, RCM right now is really the biggest CPA college in East Africa. We are the biggest CPA college in East Africa. We are registered with the HELB. Those students who may want to get HELB loans, you can easily get HELB loans by contacting those numbers that CPA Stephen has been able to write for you on the board. So that you just get, when you apply for HELB, always apply for the maximum amount. So for example, you could apply for 60,000, 50,000, and then again apply for the maximum examination fees amount. Because at the end of the day, they will scale down that amount. If you ask for 60, they can't give you 60, they'll give you like 40. So if you ask for 40, they'll give you like 20. So assuming you are given something like 40,000, and then you are a student at the intermediate level, what happens? This 40,000, we shall keep it for you at RCM, and then you will be utilizing it slowly, slowly. 40,000, let me talk of 60,000. Let me talk of 60,000. Assuming you are to be given 60,000 and you are a student at the foundation level, trust you me, you could very easily finish the entire CPA with us. But most importantly, whenever you are choosing a college for HELB, ensure that you are choosing the registered college for HELB, which is the RCM Online College, and then you also choose CASNEB for examination fees. We've seen students who forget one institution. So for example, you choose only RCM, and then you forget to apply for examination fee. And then you come asking us that you would want now us to pay for you examination fees. That will not be possible because of the strict rules that the HELB has given us. Remember, currently, if you look at the portal, already there are colleges which are being removed from the HELB portal because of not following the rules. And that is why this money given to us for you to pursue CPA, CS, CIFA, that money cannot be used for anything. You can't even use that money to do short courses because we must give monthly reports to HELB how that money is being utilized. So please ensure that you are doing the right thing when you are making applications. And gentlemen, moving forward, as RCM, as your principal, what am I envisaging? I'm envisaging a situation where you guys will be able to be very busy with this learning management system. You'll be very busy discussions. You'll be getting the very best lecturers so that you get like what we call a one-time pass. One-time pass, that is what we want. We shall be a one-time pass college. We shall not be talking of 80% pass. We shall be one time. And how do you get there? Ensure that you are involved in these Zoom live classes. Ensure that you are involved with these videos, and ensure that you are discussing with your friends also on WhatsApp. That will be very, very good. Also, moving forward, now we are going to start what we call mentorship program. All right. So this mentorship program, I'll be taking 2 students from each class. 2 students from each class. I'll tell you the criteria we use so that I'll be able to mentor you through the entire process of accounting. That will be a free of charge exercise that I would want to use to give back to our students. I wish we could accommodate even all of you, but for now that I'm piloting it, I would want in this case here to have a few. First of all, I pilot for 1 term, and then I'll keep on increasing. So then, of course, having an audit firm, having a few linkages here and there, I believe if you join this particular mentorship program, which will be by the side, it will be free of charge, but by the side of RCM, meaning that you must be willing at times to come to offices at Westlands, etc. That will be a good way of ensuring that I also give back to these RCM students who have been very nice to RCM, who have been pivotal to the growth of RCM. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, I take this opportunity to welcome all of you officially, formally to RCM. This is the winning college. You will be able to go places with us. Because I'm supposed to be getting into another meeting, I can only say bye-bye. Much love from me to yourselves. Bye. Thank you, Stephen. Back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Daktari, the principal of RCM. We really appreciate, and we have heard your remarks. Asante. So, Daktari, I've seen, maybe before you leave, I've seen some people are saying, we are ready. I don't know how that happens. Should they share their number, their phone number? They want to be mentored. They want to be mentored by you. Daktari? Okay. Kama ametoka, sawa. It's okay, team. Maybe for the mentorship program, ni sawa. Amekimbia meeting ingine hapo. So for the mentor, if you want to be mentored, I know you in those paid group, the May August paid group. Kindly make sure that you are in touch with him so that you be in the forefront. Umesikia ni wawili, so be in the forefront. Huwa naambia watu ni vizuri kuwa na kiberebere. Sawa. Kiberebere inakupeleka nini? Mbali. Kiberebere inakupeleka mbali. So be that person. For once. Sawa. So thank you so much, team. We really appreciate. Thank you for your sacrifice for attending this lunch hour session. I hope you guys have learned a lot, and we are looking forward to seeing you in class. Asanteni sana.